Hello everyone, I am going to show today how to install the Visual Studio free version. The free version is the our community edition. I just going to search the Visual Studio community and just click on this link and Visual Studio community edition. This is the free version from the Microsoft providing, and we click on the download button here. You can see it will start downloading the Visual Studio installer. Yeah, after the installer is downloaded, we just click on the Visual Studio installer and it will start the installing. And I just click it. Visual Studio is installing. You can see here the installation is started, and it will take 10 to 15 minutes to install the Visual Studio, everything. And yep, and after installing, you can start the development. The community edition is the free one. There are no such license keys required for anyone. So we can develop the web application, window application, or APIs through the Visual Studio Community Edition. You can see here it's downloading and installing parallelly. You can see here installation is still in progress, and it's downloading 95% and installing 47%. It will take some time more. Yeah, we can see here it's almost completed. It's 99%. Just we have to wait some time more. Yes, Visual Studio Community Edition is installed. You can see here after installation there is option of launch. We can launch here also, or you can search here. You can see it's starting. This is first time. So I just click skip and add later. I will not going to add any account right now. First of all, it will ask the settings, either dark mode or light mode, whatever you want, you can choose. I'm just starting with the dark mode. Now Visual Studio will be start. You can see here Visual Studio is started, and we can start creating a new project. Right now I am just clicking on the continue without code. Yeah, Visual Studio is installed right now. You can see here it's started, and at any point of time if I want to up like the install new things, just go the Visual Studio installer here, and you can see already installed things are showing. Visual Studio Community Edition, and I want to modify something, just click on the modify button. It's getting things ready. It will take a few seconds, and you can see here I install the ASP.NET Web Development, this Azure AI desktop. Suppose I want to run Python, just click on the this Python and modify. It will install the this Python component also. Anything you want to change, then we can install. Lot of things are available here: data science related, data storage related, Visual Studio extension development. If you want to go in the game development, yeah, C++, lot of things are there. You can go, we can check the individual components. If any framework required based on your project, you can check here and install. You can install the different languages pack. If you want to do in the support of the French and other language, you can go. Yeah, thank you for watching the video, and if you have any question, then give me the comment. I will reply as soon as possible. And if you like my video, then please like and subscribe. Thank you.